Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss a case study on microwave heating techniques in ceramics. Case study on microwave heating techniques in ceramics. So ceramics has been widely used nowadays in many areas. So ceramic is a little brittle material that finds wide range of applications. So conventional heating techniques have been used in previous years to process the ceramics. So ceramic processing and ceramic industry find it very difficult to bear with the energy management cost when they go for conventional heating process. So the cost of ceramics too was little high in order to balance these cost effects. Here comes microwave technology that has been used for ceramic sintering techniques, and this has drastically reduced the cost of ceramic processing in industries. So in this case study, dear students, we are going to widely discuss what is this microwave sintering technique for ceramic industry. Let's go deep inside the case study. The processing of ceramic materials has also a strong impact in the quality of the consolidated body, because it plays a key role in resulting the microstructure and as a consequence in its final properties. See, advanced ceramic materials are commonly processed as powders and densified by a high temperature process. The traditional processing techniques includes hot isolating, pressing, mold casting, sintering in a conventional ovens. A ceramics requires a very high processing temperature compared to metals and polymers. This process tends to be very energy intensive and result in higher production cost to the manufacturers. Therefore, new technologies known as non-conventional sintering techniques such as microwave technology are being developed in order to reduce the energy consumption while maintaining or even improving the characteristics of the resulting ceramic material. This novel and innovative technology aims at helping industrial sectors lower their production cost and at the same time lesser their environmental impact too. On the other hand, it is interesting and necessary to know and explore the basic principles of microwave to advance in the development of materials that demand every day more the different industrial sectors. See, high temperature process are required to consolidate ceramic powder such as zirconium, alumina, silicon carbide, and so on, in order to obtain full densification of the material. Sintering is a common material processing technique aimed at fulfilling this task. The fundamental principle behind sintering consists in the thermal activation of mass transfer mechanism when exposed a powder compact known as green body to a high temperature process at a dwell temperature below the melting point of that material. The main process of sintering is to obtain a dense and resistant body with properties as close as possible to those of a theoretical and fully dense solid. However, in some cases, sintering can also be employed to adjust some of the properties based on the performance requirement of the material by not reaching full consolidation, such as in porous material. Two main types of sintering can be identified based on the nature of the process: liquid phase and solid phase. Even though the term liquid phase may suggest exceeding the melting point of a compound with significantly lower melting point that aid in the consolidation of the main powder, which is regarded as the matrix phase and provides the main properties of the consolidated body. So, currently, innovative sintering methods are being explored and studied in order to modify the densification mechanism that may improve the microstructure and mechanical properties of the sintering material, and also very important to reduce the time fabrication of this material. The two main stages have been recognized during the sintering process: densification and grain growth. The main purpose for modifying sintering mechanism is to obtain relative densities close to the theoretical values, while maintaining a controlled but limited grain too. Also, the optimization of the process by reducing the sintering time to decrease energy consumption and increasing heating rate is an important aspect that is being considered. As a consequence, in order to improve the sintering process, novel, non-conventional sintering methods have been investigated and being developed. Particularly, microwave sintering represents an interesting opportunity at considering an advanced ceramic material with a reduced processing time and energy consumption by utilizing the electromagnetic radiation to provide high enough temperature that will allow full densification of the material. The most important advantage is that after that, when that of the conventional sintering technique is that shorter sintering time and low